Do you feel like there's too much information out there and not sure how to quickly reduce wrinkles? If so, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Fumiko Takatsu, a founder and a creator of the Face Yoga Method. Let's start looking at some of the habits you are doing without being aware. Are you ready? Take a look at yourself in the mirror and open your eyes wide as possible. What do you see right here on your forehead? Horizontal lines. This means every time you open your eyes wide, you are creating these wrinkles, and these lines eventually become permanent. Now, let's pick up your phone and pretend you're texting. Ready? And do not move your head and then feel your neck. What do you feel? Do you feel extra skin in your neck area? That means you are creating double chin and turkey neck every day when you look down and text. How often do you text? Quite a lot, right? I want to show you this picture. I see people all over looking down like this, 60-degree angle. And look at what's happening on the neck and the chin. You have to break these habits. And when you look down, it creates stress on your neck and the shoulders. How do you feel that? Look down, look down. Do you feel that? This tension can cause headaches, and that can create 11 lines or even 111 lines on your forehead. So let's do one pose here together and release tension and reduce and prevent lines between your eyebrows. Are you ready? But before we do this pose together, please subscribe to this channel. This is just one of many poses I'll teach you to reduce wrinkles and get a natural facelift. Click the subscribe button and become a face yogi with me. Let's start tapping. Relax your shoulders, relax your neck, and relax your entire face using meaty part of fingers. Start tapping the top of the head. How do you feel? Shoulder relaxed, keep breathing. Do you feel that? In Japanese, this spot is called 100 meeting spot. That means there's lots of remediums. The energy pathway are connected right here. And then move fingers to the side of your head, temporal area. When you have a lot of tension, this area gets really tight. And now we're gonna move to the forehead, center of the forehead. Make sure you don't scratch your skin. Just keep tapping, keep breathing, shoulder relax, have a little smile on your face, move fingers to the side. If you feel strange sensations, just keep breathing and tapping. Back to center, back to side. Let's do one more time, why not? And tap, 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 and tap, tap, tap. How about tap your shoulders? We carry lots of stress on our shoulders. And like I said earlier, shoulder tightness can cause headaches, and that can cause 11 lines or 111 lines. Come out from the pose. Close your eyes for a few seconds. Keep breathing in and out from your nose. How do you feel? Do you feel more relaxed? Do you feel more centered? Now, after paying attention to your bad habits, which causing your wrinkles, and then tapping and relax your forehead area, next thing you need to know is use a good moisturizer. So let's pretend you're putting moisturizer on your face. And stop. Okay? What did you do? Did you put your hands and just push your face down when you put a moisturizer? I have seen so many people do this way. It's the wrong way. And do you know what's happening on your face when you apply moisturizer in this way? As you know, gravity is working against us every single moment and putting everything down like this. So if you apply moisturizer in this way, you are pulling everything down. So just change the way you put a moisturizer on your skin. Instead of pulling down, gently move your fingers upward and lift your face. So moisturizer and put and lift up, lift up, lift up, lift up, lift up, lift up. Small things make a huge difference in the long run. And now, you can do a face yoga pose called the Big O when you apply moisturizer. And this pose increases blood circulation, and that means more oxygen and nutrients to the skin. Let me show you a picture. After doing the pose Big O, look at this. Before, after. Only doing this pose for 30 seconds, it's not 3 minutes, increase the massive circulation to the face and neck. That means more nutrient and oxygen to the face. You can get a nice glow. So when you apply moisturizer, do a Big O and feel the benefit from both, from the pose and also moisturizer. So let's do the Big O together. Are you ready for that? Align your posture. Relax your neck, shoulders, open your chest, and open your heart. And breathe in and out through your nose. And open your mouth by dropping your jaw as if you're yawning. And make an O shape with your mouth. And slightly curl your lips against your teeth. And relax your shoulders, relax your neck, and keep breathing. And hold this face for 10 seconds. Ready? Keep breathing. Let's do 2 more sets. If you wrinkle your forehead, you can put a hand on your forehead. Let's do it. Drop your jaw as if you're yawning. And relax your shoulders and hold this pose for 10 seconds. Keep breathing. Come out. Why not do 1 more set? Ready? Drop your jaw. And put a hand or hands on your forehead. And 10 seconds. Keep breathing. Chest open, heart open. And come out. Easy, isn't it? So if I take a thermal imaging camera photo, you have a face like this. Look at that. Do you feel that? Your face feels much warmer and smoother? That was Big O, one of the face yoga method's signature poses. On our face yoga method website, we have our line of high-quality skincare products made just for you, face yogis. Click the link below to get your discount code today. By exercising your muscles, you can lift your face naturally. I want to show you a very simple 60-second skincare routine. It literally lifts up your mood. The jawline is one of the easiest places on the face to get results.